So how can you add an event from the Gmail to the Google Calendar on an iPhone? So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so that way you will never miss anything important. Now, when you open up the Google Calendar application on your iPhone, you will have the ability to tap on it like the option or, the hamburger menu at the top left. And there you can see we have the settings right there. So you're going to go to the settings and there are the events from Gmail right there. So you're going to click on this and make sure that you enable it for all of the Google accounts which you have available, right? So you can see that the toggle is supposed to be green. So whenever there is an event in the Gmail, it will also appear in the Google Calendar automatically. And you can also choose how visible it's going to be, right? So perhaps it's going to be private or only me or even at the default visibility. You can change it for all of the Google accounts which you are using with your Google Calendar. So that is how it would work. Keep in mind, however, that a lot of people use the Apple Calendar where they sign in with the Google account, right? So that is possible to sync like your Google Calendar to your Apple one. And if that is the case, you can see that a couple of different emails on Gmail, which are regarding like an event or something, also have the ICS file, which is for the calendar, right? And when you click on this, it will add it to your Apple Calendar. But, as long as you are also using Google account with your Apple Calendar, it will all be synced together. So that would be something which you can perform as well. Like, it sounds a bit more complicated, but it's not really that big of a deal and it should work out fine. So that is how it works. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you manage to make it work. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.